Welcome to Sweet Life Beet Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow wheatgrass. First, select premium organic wheatgrass seeds to ensure a robust harvest. Next, gather shallow planting trays, ideally 2 inches deep, with adequate drainage holes. Fill these trays with about 1 inch of a high-quality organic potting mix, ensuring it is level and ready for planting. This foundational step is crucial for healthy wheatgrass development. After preparing your trays, the next step is soaking the seeds. Place your wheatgrass seeds in cool water for approximately 8 to 12 hours. This process helps to activate germination. Once soaked, drain the seeds completely. Then, spread them densely and evenly across the soil surface in your trays, aiming for a single layer without any overlapping. Proper watering is key for successful wheatgrass growth. Water your trays daily, ensuring the soil remains consistently moist but never waterlogged. For the initial 2 to 3 days, cover the trays to create a humid environment, which aids germination. After this, place your trays in an area with indirect sunlight or under a dedicated grow light for optimal development. Your wheatgrass will be ready for harvest when it reaches a height of 6 to 8 inches, usually within 7 to 10 days. To harvest, simply use sharp scissors to cut the blades just above the seed line. This careful cutting allows for the possibility of a second growth. Enjoy your freshly harvested wheatgrass, perhaps as a nutritious juice, for its numerous health advantages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.